we look at 12.5, tangent and normal. Okay, so over here we have a curve here. Okay, so for this curve y equal to fx, so we have a point A here, then we have a straight line that cut the curve at one point, then that is the tangent. Okay, so when we have a line that is perpendicular to the tangent line, then that is the normal line. Okay, so the line perpendicular to tangent at the point A is called normal at A. So dy dx is the gradient of tangent. So we have the y minus y equal to mx minus x1. So this is gradient of tangent. So normal, then we know that when we have two equations, they are perpendicular, then the multiplication of the gradient will be -1. So the gradient of normal multiplied with the gradient of tangent will be -1. Okay, since they are perpendicular. So the gradient of normal is -1 over gradient of tangent. Okay, so it is -1 over tangent. So pass through this point. So this is the equation. Okay. So we look at work example number 10. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the curve at point this one. So we find the dy dx. Okay, we know that gradient of tangent is dy dx. Okay, so this will become, but the y here is equal to 3x squared minus x plus 8x power -1. Then it's 6x minus 1 minus 8x power -2. So it is 6x minus 1 minus 8 over x squared. So the gradient of tangent is equal to dy dx when this point is 2, x equal to 2. So x equal to 2, then is 6 times 2 minus 1 minus 8 over 2 square. So 12 minus 1, 11. Then this is 8 over 4, that is 2. So it's 9. Okay, so the gradient of tangent is 9. When x equal to 2, then the y is 3 times 2 square minus 2 plus 8 over 2. 4, 12, and then 14. So the point is actually 2, 14. Okay, so we have the gradient of tangent is 9. Then we have the y minus 14 equal to 9x minus 2. So it's 8x minus 18 plus 14. So the y is 8x minus 4. So this is tangent. So next we want to find the gradient of normal. So the gradient of normal is -1 over gradient of tangent, that is -1 over 9. Okay, so the point is 2, 14, 2, 14. So we have the y minus 14 equal to -1 over 9 x minus 2. So it's -1 over 9x plus 2 over 9 plus 14. So y equal to -1 over 9x plus, so we have the 14 times 9, 126, and then plus 2 is 128 over 9. Okay, so this is the answer. Uh, the answer in textbook is 9y equal to this one. Actually, these two are equivalent. Okay, how can we get this one? Is we just all multiply with 9, then it will become 9y equal to -x plus 128. And then we move the x to here, then it's something like this. This one is like a general form. Okay, but I will prefer right in this one. This one is the this one is the gradient form. Okay, this is the gradient form. Okay, I will prefer to write this way, y equal to mx plus c, because from this equation I can straight know that the gradient is -1 over 9, the y-intercept is 128 over 9. So the only benefit good to write in this way is in textbook and in the exercise book they write this way, then they can save the space in the textbook. So other than that, and it look nicer lah. Okay, don't have fraction. So, but I will prefer write in the gradient form. So the normal to the curve at this and A and B meet at the point C. Normal to the curve at point A and B meet at C. So we want to find the normal at A and normal at B, and then we find their intersection, that is the simultaneous equation, then that is the point of C. Okay, so the dy dx for this case is 3x squared minus 10x plus 3. Okay, so at A there, x equal to 4. So the dy dx when x equal to 4 is equal to 3, 4 squared minus 10, 4 plus 3. Okay, so we have the 3x squared minus 10x plus 3. And then we calculate, we substitute 4, then we have 11. So 11. So at B, okay, at B, the x is equal to 1. Okay, so the B is 1, 0. Okay, and then the A is 4, negative 3. A is 4, negative 3. B is 1, 0. Okay, so B here, then the dy dx when x equal to 1 is 3 1 square minus 10 times 1 plus 3. So we have the CLC, we calculate 1, then we have the value of negative 4. So this is the gradient of tangent. So now we want gradient of normal. So gradient of normal equal to negative 1 over gradient of tangent will be negative 1 over 11. So gradient of normal negative 1 over negative 4, that is 1 over 4. So for A is 4, negative 3, and the B is 1, 0. So we have the y minus 0 equal to 1 over 4 x minus 1. So y equal to 1 over 4 x minus 1 over 4. And then this y minus negative 3 equal to negative 1 over 11 x minus 4. So will be negative 1 over 11 x plus 4 over 11 minus 3. Over here, it will become plus 3. And then we move here, will become minus. So the y equal to negative 1 over 11 x. And then we have the 4 over 11 minus 3. Then it is negative 29 over 11. Okay, so this is equation 1, this is equation 2, then we sub equation 1 into equation 2. So we have the negative 1 over 11, or negative 1 over 11 x minus 29 over 11 equal to 1 over 4 x minus 1 over 4. So we all multiply with 44, multiply with 44, multiply with 44, multiply with 44, and multiply with 44. So this is 4, 4, 11, 11. Okay, so we have negative 4x minus the 29 times 4 is 116 equal to equal to 11x minus 11. Okay, so we move it here and move it here, then it will become 15x. So we have the negative 116 plus 11, then it will become negative 105, negative 105. So this will be divided by 15. So divide by 15, then it's negative 7. So the x is negative 7. Then we sub x equal to negative 7 into equation 1. Y equal to negative 1 over 7 times negative 7 minus 29 over 11. So we have the negative, so we have the 7 over 11 and then minus 29 over 11, 29 over 11, then it will become negative 2. Okay, so C is negative 7, negative 2. Okay, next they want to find the area of triangle ABC. So we have the AB already. Now we have the C. We want to find the area of triangle ABC. So this is AB, and then this is C here. So we want to find the area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 over 2. We start from 1, 0, and then we go to 4, -3, -7, -2, and then I go back to the 1, 0. Then we have the plus here, go down is plus, and then go up is minus. So this will become 1 over 2 modulus -3 minus 8, and then minus 21, and then plus 2. Okay, so it's 1 over 2, 2 minus 3 minus 8 minus 21. So it's -30. So it will become 1 over 2 times 30, then that is the 15 unit square. Okay.